I have recently been accused of not being a pro gamer, so I've decided to make my first pro gamer move. That being a Mountain Dew and Dorito cheesecake. I'm going to be following the FunFoods recipe. I will put the link in the description. For the two recipes, because I'm combining two recipes, it's going to be a Dorito crust instead of the original Graham cracker crust that he makes in his original Mountain Dew cheesecake video. Just because if you know anything about gamers, you know that the food pyramid is just two right-angled triangles put together, and on one side you have chips and pizza and fast food, and on the other side you have soft drinks and energy drinks, and the most well-known combination being Doritos and Mountain Dew. I'm hoping the gamers will accept me as one of their own. Let's go. The lighting is complete shit because I waited too long in the day because I woke up late. So, it's unfortunate, but it is what it, okay. So, 2 cups of sugar. This is so bad. Is this shit supposed to be bubbly? Oh yeah, this is carbonated. I see how it is. That kind of looks like his, so I think that I'm just gonna leave it like this and then go to the next step. Okay, so he, in his thing, he has like a processor and shit. I'm not gonna do that. I'm literally just gonna crush it. I don't think this is gonna work out, to be honest. I think I'm about to regret everything. Yeah, FunFoods, this is fucking disgusting. I can't do this. Clean it up. So, oh god, did you hear that? Did you hear that fucking sound? It's like the most disgusting. I used to say ass mister. The most disgusting ass mister of all time. Here, this isn't gonna be as fine a powder as I want. Oh, this is so nasty. I legit don't know how to do this step. So I think I'm actually just gonna stick it in there and hope for the best when I try to take it out, because I can't take it out. Or I guess I'll just leave it in the pan. Yeah, I'll just leave it in the pan. Fuck it, whatever. So, in you go. So I'm gonna use a cup and hope for the best. There's a lot of hope for the best element in this whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna go and put this in the fridge and then do this, clean this shit, and get my cheesecake ready. Energy drink break. I'm personally a fan of Monster, so we're gonna have a Monster break right now. Also, I was a fucking moron, and I misheard somehow. I fucked up and got 4 of these Philadelphia things. You know, the thing is, I'm Canadian, so I use grams. I'm not a fucking psychopath that uses ounces for things. So, for some reason, you know, I might not be a fucking psychopath, but I am an idiot. So I did get 4 of these things, so now I just have a shit ton of cream cheese. Can I snap with my... Let's go. So I have cheese shit everywhere. This experience is turning out to be a hell of a lot more frustrating than he makes it look. He makes it look fun, and this is not. And it's probably because I fucked up, but, you know... I don't know how I managed to mess it up. I guess it's because when he opens it up, the package looks massive, and so I was like, oh, okay. That's what she said. So now I just have cream cheese, and I don't have anything to put it on. I don't have, like, bread or anything. Do you think cream cheese pasta is a thing? So, oh god, okay. Oh no. I'm so mad at myself for even attempting this. Like, what am I even doing right now? I'm not doing anything. I'm just pushing cream cheese around in a bowl. So let's put the condensed milk in. This is not going to be 14 ounces. This is 300 ml, so it's a little bit less. But this is the only thing the grocery store had. This looks really nasty. See, okay. Oh, listen to that. Here's some free, well, I mean, most ASMR is free on YouTube. But here's some ASMR. Listen to that. This better be fucking good. Like, this is a lot of effort. I have shit to do. I didn't think this would take this long. Look at this. Look at this mess. What am I doing with my life? This sounds so fucking bizarre, but like, it's kind of like old people. Old people, when you're around them, they emanate an odor. And babies do the same thing, right? And this smells like a baby. Okay, excuse me, food stuff. You made me make this entire thing, and you're telling me I'm only gonna use a quarter cup? You made me waste so much sugar and so much, like, corn syrup, and no, fuck you. I'm using all of it. I don't care. This is exactly what you're not supposed to do, 100% guaranteed. There's nothing fun about this entire process. I'm just upset and annoyed. So I've used almost all of it. I literally don't care. You can't make me not use all of this goddamn syrup. Okay, so I don't have any of the gel stuff, so I'm just using... Hello? Oh. This better be green as shit, like... Probably not what I'm supposed to do, but I do not care right now. It smells gross. It probably tastes nasty. I don't even know if I like the taste of Mountain Dew, which I feel like is a really important step in this process, is knowing what Mountain Dew tastes like, A, and B, if you like it. I don't even know if I like it. And I definitely use it. And I didn't even know if I let the syrup go for long enough on the stove, just because I don't have a candy thermometer. There's so many things that are probably wrong right now, but I'm doing my best. Like, I'm not wasting all of this money and time to not make at least an attempt. I just hope that I don't fucking poison myself, which I would not be surprised if I did. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this in the fridge for 4 hours, and then I'll be back. What's up? So there's an hour and a half left on the timer, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm kind of excited. If you've hit this point in the video, I want you to, I don't know, I have this idea that now I can, I should gauge like what point people are in the video, just because I don't have very good audience retention. I mean, honestly, I can't blame them, but it's just you and me right now. So if you have reached this point in the video, I want you to go find a book, and I want you to skip to page 50 and read and type out the last 3 words of page 50. I think that it'd be really entertaining if I just did this regularly on my channel, and so then my comments would be really bizarre. Don't tell me anything about it. You just no quotation marks, just write that out, and then people who come to the videos will be like, what the fuck is going on? And then people will be in on it, and I think that'd be really kind of cool to have going on. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do my best. I'm kind of worried that this is like, oh shit, you see, that's what I'm worried about. Because I'm going to do the ultimate gamer move here, or at least I wanted to, is to try to do a creeper face using the Dorito crumbs that I'd set aside. I'm not entirely sure how to do this, so I'm thinking I'm just going to just kind of do that and then hope that I can take it off. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. Now for the big, probably ultimate fail. Let's just... Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, that could have gone way worse. Now there's just cheesecake on the back. I'm gonna take some pictures now, and then I'm gonna eat it and have some Mountain Dew. So that's my thing. I want to do a creeper face, as you can see. I think it looks okay. with the Doritos like that. I think it's fun. Okay, I took my pictures for Instagram. Now we are going to try to cut a slice. I have the feeling this isn't gonna go well. See, I'm not nervous about these things, but I am a little bit see, there's absolutely no... This isn't cheesecake, Fun YouTube Foods, or whatever the fuck your name is. Look at this. Look at, this is not cheesecake. This is, I followed all of your instructions. It was in the fridge for more than 4 fucking hours. And was it supposed to be in the freezer? Because that part was, see? I'm so sad. I mean, I've got my Dorito base at least, but this is so sad. This is not how it was supposed to go. Okay, it's time to try this slop because it's not cheesecake. It's not cheesecake. I need to stick it in the freezer, I think. I'm gonna put it in the freezer and then give it a second go at it. But first I want to do a taste test because this is how it's supposed to come out. I followed all of his instructions. I'm gonna do the Mountain Dew second. First I'm gonna try this soup. It tastes like cream cheese, but like liquefied. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like liquefied cream cheese. So I'm going to try some Mountain Dew and see if I can get the Mountain Dew taste test. Tastes like gamer blood. I mean, yeah, it's there. But again, this isn't cheesecake. It's soup. Look at this. This is not the consistency of cheesecake. Again, yeah, probably because I used too much syrup, but like, even with all of that syrup, it doesn't taste that much like Mountain Dew. Or Mountain Dew, the taste of Mountain Dew is far too delicate for this. I would have had more luck if I had just bought a regular cheesecake and then injected it with Mountain Dew. That would probably be the smarter idea. And but the Dorito crust came out well. I'd say the crust is the best part of this whole thing. I followed your instructions very well, I think. Apart from not having certain things due to circumstance, I thought I did very well. So I am disappointed. But again, maybe it'll be better if it achieves the actual, you know, cheesecake consistency. Maybe that'll help. Let's try that. What's up? I just woke up and I actually ended up putting it in the fridge, not the freezer, overnight, just because, I don't know, it's meant to go in the fridge. So it's been there overnight and it should be more solid than before. Like, just looking at it, like, it's not, oh, it's still kind of moving. It's still kind of moving. Doritos everywhere. And see if it's any more solid than it was yesterday. And no, it's not. Like, it still has that very soupy, thick boy soup consistency. As for Mountain Dew, it doesn't really taste like much, to be honest. I'm very much more of a Coca-Cola fan, as you can see. You know you're a little bit obsessive when you're wearing their merch. Like, to be fair, it was a Christmas gift. Mountain Dew, it's not special. It's not something that I would reach for. Maybe that makes me not a gamer, but PewDiePie doesn't drink Mountain Dew, so Monster Coke Zero for the win. This was really stressful. I think the FunFoods aspect of this comes from the outcome, not the process. I did get aggressive there for a minute. But I took a picture of it and I tagged him on Instagram, and he said something really nice. And I'm like, oh no, I hope he doesn't see this video, just because I did get aggressive at one point. But you know, James, if you see this, you were very nice, and I found your instructions were very clear. All the mistakes were probably my fault. What do you think of... I won't let her eat it, but... Ginger, take a sniff. Did you get Mountain Dew in your... Oh no! Ginger! You got Mountain Dew in your nose. Stay still, stay still.
Ah! I just wanted her to sniff it. I didn't think she'd plant her fucking nose into it. That's all I have to say. Peace.